Another question I get asked all the time from people who've been in car accidents is, what happens if I miss work? How do I get paid if I physically can't work because I'm injured? Now, wage loss truly is one of the hardest things to get compensated for after a car accident. And the reason being is the insurance company, they refuse to pay more than they have to. So it becomes your responsibility to prove exactly how much time you missed, to prove that a doctor excused you from work, and to make sure that there's absolutely no way the insurance company can say, oh, he should have been able to work, he just didn't want to. So to do that, there's a few things we really need to be careful of and to make sure you detail initially as you start your treatment. One, you need to make sure you tell the doctor that you can't work. And you need to make sure that doctor gets you a doctor's note. Take that to your work, so therefore there's documented at the doctor's office and also at your work. Secondly, you need to talk to either your HR department or somebody who can keep track of how many hours you actually missed because of this accident. At the very end of the case, it's very nice if you can go to your business and or to the company and say, could you please give me a report on your letterhead with exactly how many hours I missed from this accident. Now thirdly, it's also very important that you keep track of all kinds of documentation. Pay stubs, sometimes you even have to go into taxes. All these things to document how much money you actually missed. You know, sometimes you have to pay for an extra employee. We have to prove that to the insurance company as to how much more money you spent. So it's your responsibility to prove to the insurance how much money you missed. So it's very important to think through this logically and strategically. Now, what I strongly recommend is if you're going to miss a substantial amount of work, know the insurance company is going to fight it. It's probably wise to consult with a personal injury attorney. That's what we do. We help make sure we get all your bills paid. We help make sure you get compensated for your injuries. We help make sure you get your wage loss paid for. And this is what we do all day. We take care of people, make sure they get their wage loss paid. Contact a personal injury attorney. The consultation's free. We can sit down with you, explain the process, and answer any questions you have.